Hi friends, Ashish here. So today we are going to see one more trick of Vedic Maths where you can multiply the numbers in a single go. Okay, so today, so previously you might have seen numbers where we are going to multiply, where we used to multiply the numbers having the same tens digit and ones digit sum is 10. But today, this is different. So today we are going to see the numbers where the tens digit sum is 10 and the ones digit are same. So let's see how to do these questions. And we are also going to understand the logic behind them. So let's say that we have uh, 27 multiplied by 87. So if you see here, the ones digit are same, which is 7. And the tens digit is 2 plus 8. If I add them together, it becomes 10. So this is a special scenario where we have a simple formula and we can multiply it in 2 or 3 steps. So the answer we are going to get here will be in two parts. For the first part, we are going to do the square of 7 for the right part of the answer. So 7 square is 49. For the first part of the answer, for the left part of the answer, we are going to use 2, 8 and 7 as well. So we are going to multiply 2 and 8 together and we are going to add 7 to it. So 8 to the 16, 16 plus 7 is 23. So the answer becomes 2349. This is a very special scenario. So we have done it. We have seen the answer as well. But why does it happen? Why does it work? So let's see. Let's try to find the logic behind it. So let's say we have two numbers. I'll just say we have a number 10 into A plus B multiplying with 10 into C plus B because the last part is same, and A plus C is 10 because that's what we have seen here as well. So this is the scenario for us. So let's multiply them and see what happens. So 10A into 10C is 100AC plus 10AB plus 10BC plus B square. So B square you have already seen here, but we'll see why. We just put the square of 7. We didn't consider only one digit of 49. We considered both the digits, right? So we'll see how we are getting there. So from this part, let's do one thing. Let's take out 10 first. So it becomes 10AC plus AB plus BC. Now we know A plus C is 10. So in these two terms, let me just complete this part. So in these two terms, I'll take B as a common part and the remaining part is A plus C plus 10AC and this is 10 plus B square. So for this one I can put 10. So it becomes 10 common 10AC plus 10B plus B square. Again I take 10 common, so it becomes 100 outside. AC plus B plus B square. So any number when multiplied by 100 will have the last two digits as 0. And that's why if you add any number to it, in this scenario we added the B square or 7 square. So when 7 square, which is 49, gets added to a number which has last two digits as 0, the digit at the end will be 49. So that's why we have put the square of 7 as 49. For the first part of the answer, what we did was 2 into 8 plus 7. And that's what we are seeing here. A into C plus B. So the formulas that we have in the Vedic Maths, they have a logic behind them. It is not a magic, for sure. So hope you understood the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.